Hello.
Hello, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Elsa.
Elsa, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Oh, you're only 6 years old, okay. And how are you today, Elsa?
I'm happy.
All right. So let me ask you some question first. Can you tell me, Elsa, what food do you like?
I like watermelon.
Good. And do you like apple, banana, strawberry?
I like strawberry.
Oh, you like strawberry. All right, nice to know that. So you like fruits. And can you tell me what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing an orange t-shirt and gray trousers.
Kids, okay. So today we have a speaking test, Elsa. Are you ready for the test?
Yes.
Let's begin. Okay, so at first, here you can see, I can say, he is Alex. He is 6 years old. Alex is small and Alex is funny. Alex is from Mexico. Can you tell me about her?
She Anna.
Yeah, she is Anna.
She is Anna. She 9
Yeah.
years old.
Yep.
Anna is big and tall. And
Anna.
Russia.
Yeah, Anna is
And
from.
Anna is from Russia.
Good. And now, can you tell me about yourself, Elsa? What's your name? How
My-
old are you? Okay, yeah.
My name is Elsa. I'm 6 years old. I'm happy.
Okay, are you tall?
Yes.
And where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Okay, all right. Well done, Elsa. Let's move to the next part. So we have some school things here. Can you tell me, Elsa, what is it?
It's a rubber.
What is this one? What is it?
It is a paintbrush.
Paintbrush, good. And this?
It's a book.
Oh, right. And can you tell me what color is the pencil case? What color is the pencil case here?
It's pink.
No, the pencil case is
It's blue.
blue. Good. And what color is the rubber?
The rubber is white and blue.
Good. And what's your favorite color? Can you tell me? Like, my favorite color is red. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Oh, your favorite color is blue. Okay. All right. So, can you tell me, Elsa, is the backpack here is old or new?
It's old.
And the rubber here, is that old or new?
It's new.
How about your backpack? Is your backpack old or new?
Old.
Your backpack is old? Okay, and how about your pencil case? Is that old or new?
New.
Good. And can you tell me what color is your backpack? What color is your backpack? Your backpack, what color is it?
The backpack is blue and brown.
No, your backpack. What color is your backpack, Elsa? Like your backpack is red, blue, or what?
Red.
Okay, red. And what color is your pencil case? What color is your pencil case, Elsa?
The pencil case is blue.
All right. Okay, and let me ask you one more question. And what school thing do you like the most, Elsa? Like, I like my backpack. What do you like?
I like my backpack.
You also like your backpack. All right. Okay, that was it, Elsa. Well done. Good job. Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.